And for a look at the rest of the action on the local share market, I spoke to Charlie Aitken from Southern Cross Equities. Charlie Aitken, a solid start to the local trading week despite weaker employment data out of the US. Was that surprising?
I think it caught quite a few of us off guard. I mean, the market opened a little bit weaker this morning, just in line with America, but by midday we turned everything around. The market belted through the 100-day moving average, which is a technically supportive development. Currency strong, and by the end of the day, the market was up 30 points, led by resources.
And why was it led by resources? What was going on there?
There's a variety of reasons, actually, Ticky. The market is taking some hope in the closer opinion polls between the Labor Party and the Liberal Party. Obviously, the Liberal Party is anti-mining tax. There's also a bit of a leak on some Chinese data this week where the market believes that the data out of China will be stronger than expected. And also there's flows out of America into the Australian dollar and into commodities, and that's helping as well.
Just on one specific mining stock, that takeover talk around Whitehaven Coal is still swirling around, isn't it?
Yeah, you can't kill that one. I mean, the takeover talk on Whitehaven's been going on for about 3 or 4 days now. Stock's up 20%. It seems to be getting some credence. It does seem to make some sense, particularly after the valuation of Aston Resources, which the book build went ahead the other day. Look, I think that will happen. I think the price action's telling you it's going to happen. And there does seem to be a takeover a week in the Australian resource sector, and that's also driving its outperformance. And
what about QBE? How's the market greeted those planned management changes?
Well, I don't think they were totally overwhelmed by it. I mean, the stock's up 1%, but still about $8 below where it was in January. I think that QBE has some other headwinds. I mean, the currency is a headwind, as are low US interest rates. I'd be surprised if the QBE bounce went on with it, and I think the management changes weren't that significant.
And also management changes at Fairfax Media.
Yeah, but I think again, not hugely top-level stuff. I think that Fairfax, everyone's waiting for the result. There's a lot of big short positions in Fairfax, Ticky. It's going to be very interesting to see the Fairfax result. If they can come anywhere near what the market is hoping for, the stock could rally very hard.
All right, well, we've had some pretty good results today from both Bendigo Bank and JB Hi-Fi. Are you expecting this sort of strong results to be a sign of the profit season in general?
Ticky, I'm going to make a forecast. I think this is going to be a great week for the Australian equity market. I think the Commonwealth Bank result on Wednesday will turn around bank sentiment. I think that the reporting season so far has been very strong. I think the Aussie dollar looks good. I think commodity prices look good. I think the Rio result last week was good. I think we're in for a very good week this week. So I'll talk to you next Monday.
I hope you're right. Charlie Aitken, thanks very much for talking to Lateline Business.
Thanks, Ticky.